Ever wake up with dull, tired skin and feel like nothing brightens it up? I started using this vitamin C glow serum, and it actually changed my skin. First, it brightened my complexion, so my skin looks more awake.
Yeah, that's AI. Made with one tool, in one sitting. Making professional YouTube content shouldn't feel like a full-blown engineering project. But for most creators and marketers, the production bottleneck is real. Writing scripts, finding models, setting up lighting, and juggling 5 different subscriptions just to edit one video. It eats hours, sometimes days. But what if you could do all of it in seconds? Today I'm going to show you exactly how I made a high-converting UGC skincare ad without ever picking up a camera. We're doing it with VEED, which has officially become the ultimate all-in-one AI-powered video creation platform. If you've been looking for the best AI video generator to scale your content and finally level up, this one's for you. Let's start with the dashboard. When you log into VEED, you're not just looking at an editor, you're looking at a centralized production hub. Up top, you've got 3 modes: create, edit, and record. And right here on the home screen, 4 quick launch cards: generate talking head videos, generate assets, edit video, and record. That's your entire pipeline in one place. To get our skincare ads going, let's hit Create up top and head straight to the Gen AI Studio. This is the brain of the operation. You'll see 2 options: prompt an idea or start with a script. And hey, if you already have your script, you can just paste it in. But for this demo, we're going to let the AI do the heavy lifting. I'm typing in a detailed prompt to create a high-energy UGC ad for a vitamin C glow serum targeting beginners with energetic visuals and a motivating voiceover. The more specific you are about the vibe and the audience, the better your first result. Hit generate. And in seconds, VEED builds a full story for you. Look at the left sidebar. It's not one long clip. It's broken into scene blocks. Each block is a part of the narrative, from the hook to the solution to the call to action. It's written the script, set the pacing, even mapped out the visual flow. It says that the lip sync will be applied at the final stage, so let's preview what we have right now.
Old tired skin and feel like nothing brightens it up, I started using this vitamin C glow serum and it actually changed my skin. First, it brightened my complexion so my skin looks more awake. Second, it helped even my skin tone and fade little dark spots. Third, it keeps my skin hydrated without feeling greasy all day. I get compliments all the time and my friends asked what I use. Try this vitamin C glow serum now.
Wow, that's honestly super impressive. It has a natural flow, very humanistic voiceover, and aesthetic captions that are perfect for social media content of this niche. This is where most people stop, right? But to make these ads truly high-converting, let's level up the visuals. Back on the home screen, click Generate Assets. That's the AI playground. This is one of the most powerful parts of this AI video generator. A gateway to the world's best generative models, all in one platform. We're talking Google Nano Banana, Kling 3 Pro, even OpenAI Sora 2, and many more. For a skincare ad, the visuals need to look quite premium, so I'll generate some hyper-realistic B-roll. I'll type something for a cinematic close-up of a vitamin C serum droplet falling onto glowing skin. Here's a pro tip. Always flip on the green enhance toggle. It helps the AI read your prompt in far more detail. I'm going to select the Kling 3 Pro model for this. Let's set the aspect ratio to 9:16 for social and hit generate. Look at that. Man, that's amazing. The quality you get from a model like Kling 3 Pro is really indistinguishable from a high-end studio shoot. Okay, so once you've got that perfect shot, just go back to the main project, and you can swap the asset we just made with any of the placeholder visuals in your Gen AI Studio blocks. Like that, you've made an ad that looks like it cost thousands of dollars to produce, for the price of a few AI credits. Now, every good UGC ad needs a face, someone the audience can relate to. So yeah, we already have a default face, and she fits pretty well too. But here in this demo, I'm gonna take you through leveling up. On the right sidebar, I'm gonna go to the Character tab here. You can choose from a library of professional UGC-style avatars, or even upload a single selfie of yourself to create a digital clone. Or you can also use the VEED AI to generate a model image. For this one, I'll just grab a ready-made avatar. Let's hit Change Character and scroll the library. I'm going with Emma. She's got that friendly, approachable look that works perfectly for a skincare audience. Okay, now let's check the preview again.
I started using this vitamin C glow serum, and it actually changed my skin. First, it brightened my complexion so my skin looks more awake. Second, it helped even my skin tone and fade little dark spots. Third, it keeps my skin hydrated without feeling greasy all day.
And just like that, Emma's now the face of our ad, delivering the exact script VEED wrote in those scene blocks, which is right now without the lip sync. And by the way, these talking avatars run on VEED's own Fabric 1.0 model. That's what lets them speak naturally for up to 5 minutes straight. No filming, no actors, no studio. This is all coming pretty great. So now, let's give her a voice. I'll jump to the Voice tab. You can type in the tone you're looking for, and even switch languages if you're targeting another market. I think I will go with the default voice assigned to the character, as conversational tone is what I'm looking for. But hey, she does not look middle-aged. Here's a little trick most people miss regarding the vocal delivery. Over in the script blocks, you can shape how she actually delivers each line. You can drop an excited tag before the hook so she sounds genuinely hyped, and a whisper on the secret ingredient line. This will make it sound more like an actual performance, not a robot reading text off a page. Next up, subtitles. Remember, for social media, these are not optional. Subtitles are what keeps people watching. VEED's already auto-added them, as you could see in the preview. It is pretty aesthetic, and personally I love that style. But let's see what else is out there. There are content-aware subtitles which have by default left room for the content in the middle, and dynamic social, business, and retro styles. I'm gonna go with the same dynamic caption style that VEED gave us by default. It is actually fitting well, and I'm impressed by VEED's understanding of the nature of my content. It has made the most accurate decision on the style. And we have one more, the Music tab. A little upbeat, royalty-free track gives it that scroll-stopping energy. I'm gonna filter for lifestyle vlog music, pick something light, and let it sit under the voiceover. Okay, when you're happy, hit Done up top and VEED renders the final cut. This is where that lip sync gets applied. So I don't really love the fact that we have our subtitles right in the middle of the frame, because sometimes it's covering up Emma's face here, which is very important for the content. So I'm gonna go into the editor. Yeah, that is much better. Now, I'm also not a big fan of the fact that we have a different character applying skincare here. Even though it is a B-roll, it kinda kills the character consistency here. So I'm gonna select that clip on the editor, right-click, and replace it with a more neutral stock clip here. Something without a different character shown. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Okay, let's adjust some graphic settings here for the frames, maybe add some vignettes. You can create any look you like and hit done and export your video. And that's it. In under 30 minutes, we went from a blank screen to a high-converting premium skincare ad. No camera, no studio, no 10 different subscriptions. VEED handles the whole thing, generation, editing, and packaging, in one place. That's what makes it the best all-in-one AI video generator out right now. So if you're ready to stop juggling fragmented tools and start producing at this level, I've got something for you. You'll get 30% off your first month or year with VEED using the link and custom promo code in the first 3 lines of the description below. Just heads up. It's strictly the first 100 people who sign up, so don't sit on it. The future of content isn't working harder. It's using the right AI video generator to work smarter. Go try the workflow, build your first ad, and see how much time you get back. Thanks for watching. I can't wait to see what you create.